Hey everyone, so I'm gonna get right into this video. I'm taking my Nivea cream and I applied it to her face, and I'm using a beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat that in. I'm taking my MAC concealer to carve out her brows, and also I'm going to be using this as a base. I forgot what number this is, so if anything, if you really want to know, comment and I'll get that done for you. Blending that out. Want a really nice base for the shadow to go onto. And then I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's so nice, perfect for fall. And I'm just gonna apply that onto the lid, but I'm only gonna do it halfway because I'm gonna do a cut crease. And then I'm gonna build it up with darker colors, see, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna do a cut crease. I haven't done cut creases in so long, so it looked like a hot mess at first, but I always come through and it looked really nice at the end, so yeah. Perfect. It looks so good now. And now I'm gonna add this copper shimmer onto the lid. It's so gorgeous. It literally gives the fall vibe. I love it so much. In person it looks so good. I'm just gonna pat that onto the eyelid. So nice. I literally fell in love when I used it. We were so shook at like the pigment. It was so nice. And then after this I'm gonna take a darker shadow and just kind of blend that into the shimmer. Taking my liquid Anastasia Beverly Hills liner, and I'm just gonna I usually like to start from the base and then create the wing line just so I can see how that looks. And then we're gonna take our color corrector and put some under the eyes or anywhere that you see any type of darkness. Some people prefer it, some people don't, but it's all a preference. Under eye dark circles and stuff like that is very normal, so don't be ashamed of it at all. And now I'm going to take this and apply it onto her face. And I'm also taking that same concealer that we used for the brows, and I'm using that as concealer for the under eyes. I'm really happy how the eyes turned out because sometimes I have trouble with the inner corner winged outliner. What do we call that now? A fox eye? I don't even remember. But yeah, I'm even though I'm a makeup artist, I'm still learning. I still make mistakes. It's very normal. You can be a professional and still make mistakes. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline setting powder. I mixed a light and a darker shade, but it turned out so perfect. She was like, whoa, like this looks so good. We were both stunned at like how it came out. Going in with a MAC lip liner. I haven't done a YouTube video in so long, and you can literally tell. I'm taking my ABH setting spray and I'm just going to use that with my Kiehl's Cosmetics mini fan. She literally looks so good. So adorable. And now I'm going in with this AMB solution that I got from school to make the scars. We already did one. And now I'm gonna apply that to the face. You actually have to mix it really well, and then apply it to the face. Make the cut that you want, whatever wound that you want, and then you have to set it, but let it dry first. Let it dry and then set it, and then let it dry again, and then powder it. I said a lot in this few minutes, but hopefully that makes sense. She wants to act a damn fool on camera. And see how I kind of did the line there? That kind of makes it like that cut effect. That's what I'm talking about. So you want to apply it, get it how you want it, make a cut, let it sit, let it dry, and then add some setting powder. So now I'm going in with my Ben 9 color wheel, and I'm going to add some pigment to it around the scar, inside of the scar, just so that it, looks real, looks irritated, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be doing this for the most part, just making it red all around. And I'm going to take my blood. I'm gonna use the thicker one first and apply it into the wound. It looks so good. Like, I love special effects. I'm a glam girl, but I love special effects. It's so cool, and just making stuff come to life and just 3D. It's literally so cool. So I'm just gonna keep adding that. It's so cute. You can see she's literally obsessed. And then I kind of splattered the blood all around to make it look more realistic. But this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys really loved it. We did, and I hope you guys do too. And happy Halloween!